Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sync two JBL speakers. First, ensure both of your JBL speakers are fully charged to avoid interruptions during the pairing process. Next, place them within close proximity to each other, ideally within a few feet. Finally, power on both speakers by pressing their respective power buttons. You should see their indicator lights illuminate. Now, let's get them ready to connect. On your first JBL speaker, locate and press the Bluetooth button. You'll notice its indicator light begin to flash, signaling it's in pairing mode. Immediately repeat this exact step for your second JBL speaker. Both speakers should now have their Bluetooth lights flashing, indicating they are ready to find each other. With both speakers in pairing mode, it's time to link them. Find the Connect Plus button on your first speaker and press it. Then, quickly press the Connect Plus button on your second speaker. Listen for a distinct confirmation sound, which indicates a successful connection. The indicator lights will change, showing they are now wirelessly linked and ready for synchronized audio. To confirm your setup, play some audio from your connected device. You should hear sound emanating from both JBL speakers simultaneously, creating a richer soundstage. If the volume isn't quite right, adjust it on your source device or directly on the speakers for the best listening experience. Enjoy your enhanced, synchronized sound with friends or family.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.